पे ताकि वीडियोस में अच्छा है. Hi everyone, I am Ridhima and welcome to my channel. So today I have a special guest Divanshi and we will making a very easy painting for kids. So let's get started. Okay. So we have taken a sheet of paper. It is a very thick sheet. You can also use a canvas or any thick sheet that you have at home. And you will be needing paints, masking tape and some brushes. So let's get started. So first we will take our masking tape and make randomly, you just have to paste randomly on the sheet. Please don't use a normal tape, otherwise it will tear your paper. Now we just have to use any colors of our choice, paint in between these boxes that we have made.
I'll do red, light green, lime yellow and blue.
Okay.
सट्टे लग गया पेंट
देखा था नहीं, कुछ तो किया तूने बट ऐसे दिख नहीं रहा.
So guys, I have colored it up like this.
Now we have to wait for the paints to dry. मुझे तो सही लग रहा है.
थोड़ा डार्क होता है.
कोई मत यार, इतना तो चलता है. यही तो पेंटिंग का वही तो रहता है ना. पेंटिंग मतलब फन होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, क्या हो जाएगा मतलब पेंटिंग पूरी लग ही नहीं सकती यार.
Now we're going to take these tape out. So this is how it will look. Now we're going to take the leaves and we're going to print it on the boxes. So this is my painting.
Do you guys like it? If you did, please do comment down below
And like.
and subscribe. And we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Bye.